Hey pasta lovers! If you love pasta, then keep watching this video. Let me quickly show you how I made this delicious cheesy pasta with meatballs. So simple, very straightforward, easy to make, and it looks so cheesy, delicious. Hey there food lovers! Today we are making a classic comforting favorite pasta and meatballs with some melted cheese. Here's what I'll be using for this recipe. I have cheese, pasta. I'll be using this for today, but you can use whatever pasta is suitable for you. I have my seasonings, egg, tomato paste, ground beef, and a host of other seasonings. Let's dive in. First, grab your favorite pasta. I'm using this for today, but you can choose whatever pasta you like. After that, cook it according to the package instructions. And don't forget to add in some salt into the water for flavor. While the pasta is boiling in my bowl, I just combine my ground beef, breadcrumb, cheese, and egg, some garlic, salt, pepper, seasoning, a bit of olive oil, and also some cheese. So right now I'll be using my hands to mix it very well. As you can see, it's well mixed. I have my tray and I just molded them into balls. At this point, I'll just move my tray into my oven. While my meatballs are being cooked into the oven, I just added in some salt into my boiled water. And here, I just added in my pasta. Our meatballs are ready. Now, grab your sauce, pour it into the pot, add your seasoning, bring it to a boil. When it's properly cooked, then add in your meatballs into the cooked sauce. Remember, when you are making your meatballs, it doesn't matter if they are well cooked or not. You don't have to worry about that. But make sure they are crispy from the outside and juicy from the inside, because you know at the end of the day, you'll have to cook them all over again into our sauce. So let your meatballs simmer again. And when your pasta is well cooked, just make sure to strain it and drain all the water. Right now, our sauce is ready. Just drain your pasta and toss into the sauce. And now the best part of it is that after mixing up everything, you just have to sprinkle some generous amount of cheese into our pot of pasta. Can you see that? Make sure you put enough cheese. Let our cheese melt. And after that, you just have to mix up everything again. After mixing up everything, our food is ready. Now it's time for us to serve. and make sure you should serve it while it's warm. Look at that. This is our most satisfying homemade goodness. That's perfect for any day of the week, any occasion, family gathering, birthdays, and whatever. So right now we are serving into our beautiful bowl. Can you see that? It tastes so good. The presentation is perfect. Make sure you try this recipe for your loved ones, for your kids to take to school, for family gatherings. It's very, very easy and it tastes so good. Can you see that? My dear Reynas family, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you keep sharing our video so that we'll get to 7,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.